Amazon is a river that flows with money straight to Seattle. So Jerry, HotLink's won a number of awards. Can you tell me a little bit about the reasons why? Tell me a little bit about the technology.
Sure, I'd love to. HotLink's won a lot of awards around hybrid cloud computing because that's all we do. 100% focused on the hybrid cloud. We started with the company saying people are going to go to diverse hypervisors and they're going to go to the cloud. It's just inevitable. So based on that, we built our whole company on, let's use a management infrastructure that people are aware of, virtualization, vCenter, and then build out from there and support the other hypervisors like KVM, Xen, Hyper-V. And then let's add in the clouds with our latest release. We've added into Azure, vCloud Air, OpenStack, and we had AWS, and we have that again with this release. So now we do the widest breadth of all those platforms out of one single pane of glass, your existing data center management tool, which is vCenter.
So if a company already has VMware, why would they consider extending their management out to the public cloud?
So one of the biggest things about going to the cloud that people underestimate is the change in the management itself, the people who are doing the work. They have a methodology, they have tools that they built out an infrastructure around those tools, and they don't want to do it again to say, I want to go to Azure, or I want to do it again, so I want to go to OpenStack. And they get themselves siloed. So they want to use their current management infrastructure. And today, because of the way things started out, VMware is by far the leader out there. There are hundreds of thousands of copies of VMware vCenter out there. There's lots of people who are trained in VMware vCenter, so why not? And by the way, you have it, you bought it, you have the infrastructure. Simply leverage that to use the new tools you want to do.
As organizations add public cloud to their internal cloud infrastructure, what management challenges do they face?
I think they have a complete management challenge, which is it's very nice for someone to say, sitting in the airplane next to you, and you say, hey, do you know you can get CIO 10 cents an hour in Amazon? He goes, 10 cents an hour? I want lots of that stuff. He comes down the chain to the people who have to do it, and they go, I don't know anything about Amazon, right? I thought it was a river someplace. So how do I do something with this stuff in a cloud, and what does a cloud mean to me, considering this is what I have for infrastructure? And I have people, I mean, I'm a VP of operations, I have people who are trained on it. How do I do it? So management is a big issue for people. How do I incorporate this in? And for a lot of companies, they have more management and responsibility than people think. They have compliance, they have patching, they have all kinds of things they have to do to be able to use those services. And if they can't do that sort of stuff, they can't go to the cloud. So management is key.
So you have HotLink Hybrid Express. How does that assist with those challenges?
Well, first of all, it's an easy plugin. It's an hour to install, and you're working. Of course, there's a little bit of networking stuff to do to get to the cloud. But then you've helped the people do all the management they normally do. They can start immediately and say, you know something, I have a template on VMware that I'm used to seeing. How will that run on Amazon? Just click, start from template like they would today, and they have a running instance in Amazon they can look at, they feel comfortable with, they can examine how it works compared to the one on-premise and say, you know something, this works for me. And my other tools work for me. My performance monitoring works for me, my alarms work for me, my alerts work for me. So we help them to easily get started into this new environment and make them feel comfortable. It works the way they normally work. It's not some two-headed beast. It's just another environment. It's a VM. They can call it an instance. It looks the same, it feels the same, it acts the same, and it makes them really easily incorporate various clouds into their current environment.
I would be remiss if I didn't ask, how do people find out more about HotLink solutions?
Well, www.hotlink.com, and just basically come to the website and start logging on and learning, and then hit us up for what we can do as far as in-person webinars and tools.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that interview with HotLink. Make sure to check out our other videos on our channel and subscribe.